We're going to end this section on recording by talking about recording multiple devices simultaneously. I have a very simple rack here with a subtractor and a Kong drum machine, and I want to switch to the sequencer, which I know I can do by clicking this icon here, but I'm going to show you a little shortcut. You can use Command 1 to maximize and restore the rack, and you can use Command 2 to restore and maximize the sequencer. In fact, if you have them detached, or if you have the sequencer detached, you can toggle between them by using Command 1 and Command 2. So Command 1 always gets you the rack, Command 2 always gets you the sequencer. Much easier than choosing them from the window menu. Okay, so back to our sequence here. You'll notice whenever we've selected a track, it's been automatically selected for recording. I select the Kong, I play that. I select the subtractor, I play that. Now that's the default behavior, but you can change that by going under Preferences, looking under the Keyboards and Control Surfaces tab, and choose Separated, which means that the track you selected does not have to be the same one that's enabled for recording. Let's take a look. I've selected my subtractor. Now I've selected my Kong, but the subtractor is still record enabled. Now my Kong is selected. Now I select subtractor, but the Kong still plays back. So normally you don't want that behavior. Normally you want to record enable whatever track you select. So choose standard from that preference menu. Now you can't normally record on multiple tracks at the same time, but if you have multiple controllers, there's a secret. As we've shown before, you can lock a controller to a device. In this case, I'm locking my NanoPad to the Kong. And when I do that, I can shift-click to select multiple tracks to record at the same time. Watch what happens when I press Command Return to record. So I'm playing the subtractor with my keyboard and the Kong with my NanoPad. And of course, if you have other controllers, you can lock them to other tracks and record more than one track at the same time. This is also great for live performance where you want to record multiple tracks with multiple devices. You can always record automation on multiple tracks by clicking the red Automation button, but you can only record notes on one track at a time unless you've locked a controller to a specific track.